Yeah, I got videos of Ralph White. Somebody say, you got any videos of Ralph's White Trans Am? Yep, I should. You want to know a cool fact? That White Trans Am used to be mine. I'm the one sold it. I got it from a buddy. Uh-oh. Let it eat. Okay, right lane for the win.
Let it eat.
Let it eat.
We're having trouble back there getting that car started.
Oh, they is?
Get video. See what they need.
I need a battery. I need a battery. Hey, hey, hey. Boy, it's only 12 o'clock. I thought it was later tonight.
Over here.
Damn. Boy, they love that, boy. Hey, hey, yeah. Man, what we gonna do? Oh, y'all already hit the like button and stuff, right? Easy, what I'm doing Saturday, I'm gonna be at the Cinco de Mayo at XRP, man. Don't tell me y'all having another party, man. Damn. I wanna show up to one of them parties like I might just go and leave early here. Come to one of your parties. They ain't paying anyway. I might pull up. Left lane for the win. Hey y'all, Izzy having another one of them Mexican parties over there, man. He gonna have everybody over there, man. It's gonna be going down like it ain't nothing. He want me to pull up. They gonna have Renee over there with the Casanigo party. They gonna be watching the Canelo fight around 11 or 12. It's gonna be going down over there, y'all. If they ain't donating nothing, if I don't be to made no money before then, Izzy, I'll pull up. My boy Scott, the only one on here, got his income tax right now. He tipped me $49.99 a night, Easy. So if somebody else bid and got theirs by tomorrow or Saturday, hey, I might miss it. Yeah. Might go get me a left lane. The green light over here is the left lane. Right lane is red. How you gonna go fishing for some white bass tomorrow, man? What you gonna do if you catch a crappie? Or y'all going somewhere ain't no crappie? Alright, I got the Camaro on this one, y'all. I might try to get that caprice fix and tune. Yeah. I don't be there made no money. Saturday, you know where I'm gonna be at. I'm gonna go over to Izzy's house and eat me some good fish. They finna go catch it out the sea tomorrow. It's gonna be fresh. They gonna have some ice and put some ice and Modelo over it. Right lane for the win, y'all. Right lane. Alright, y'all. See y'all tomorrow, man. One time for the one time, man. We finna call it tonight. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all hit the like button, share, tell somebody. You know, anything can help. Anything can help. Yeah, anything can help. But make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Take care of your business. Look out. Y'all have a good night. Break 19, one time for your mind. Look out.